He, like, listens
Look out
to,
for
like,
him.
No, well, like, he listens to, like, tech music. So they're like, it makes sense that this is the song you put out.
Oh, right, because of the beat or whatever.
Yeah, but I don't think the resale is 100. This is gonna take it. Oh, did you? Yeah, go buy them. They're back. Like 180 bucks.
Yeah, come on, man. Here's 100.
That's what we saw the guy taking the video, and he was like in the fountain, dancing to the TikTok in the fountain before we came. Yeah, this is nice. We can go without gloves and be fine.
You can do what?
My hair's falling again.
You can do what?
It just doesn't want to stay.
Madison, what'd you say?
Walk around without wearing gloves.
Oh my God. Yeah. Like even earlier spring, I would be like, wow. I think we could definitely handle a couple days. Oh, baby, little doggy, look at him jumping. He says it's really cold on my feet, man. He says it's really cold on my feet, man. He says really cold on my feet, man. I want to get out of here, man. Get me out of here, man. It's really cold. It's really chewy. It's really chewy. It's really chewy. It's really chewy.
I can't get it while walking.
Go. You slowed way down, both of you. You turds.
Because we're like
God.
bouncing, but he's like,
He's rolling out.
Yeah,
Come on.
so cute. He's not walking.
Babe, I have a video of him. It won't be zoomed in, but
Amazing that you could own something.
all right, guys, we need the C line. Hear me?
Yeah.
Take the C line for Uptown and Queens Ace. We're looking for 168th Street or exit Central Park West and 103. C line. Central Park West. C line. C line. It's right over here, isn't it, Madison? Are you sure? Yeah, you're right.
We need to find me a haircut place.
Girl, let's do it. Chinatown tonight. Blowout. Jelly?
I don't care about that. I just need a cut.
Yeah, blowout and cut. Okay. We're free. That I'm not gonna lie, Jelly, that is nice. Just being able to do that. Is that it? We're on the wrong side. We go down and over. Because that baby is going south. Joey says, whatever you say. She goes, I think that sounds right. What'd you say, babe? It says 60 to 168. I think it's 11 stops. Thoughts?
A little winded, but I'm good.
Me too.
Not serious.
You got any thoughts?
No, we're good.
You have no thoughts. Just blank space. And I'll write your name. Do you really want a haircut here?
Kinda. My hair's out of control.
I think we should look and find a place.
I want to get to Central Park because I don't want to take time away from that.
We're gonna spend tomorrow at Central Park too.
I want
So
to do it today while it's really nice.
it's even nicer
Take
tomorrow.
advantage of it.
That's the nice thing about.
I know, but tomorrow's our last day, so I feel like random stuff's gonna pop up that we want to do.
Maybe.
I know. I feel like
I like squish it, but okay.
You can squish your head. She won't
I
be
feel
mad.
like we're gonna have to like scrape against my scalp and like clip because it just wants to go sideways. Like as we walk, it just bobs and then it goes. See? Oh no.
Jelly? Her hair.
I don't know, it's hard. You want to line up like
Whoa! Babe, she did that to your hair like how I tied your shoe.
Good job!
She clearly knew. She clearly knows what she's doing. It was like Ray when he's tying knots.
Good job!
Says he'll be here in 3 minutes.